Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the video. Today we're gonna be making chili chicken. And I have my board here to tell you guys the recipe if you don't understand what I'm saying at times. For this recipe, we're going to be needing half kg of boneless chicken, which I have already cubed, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 4 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of garlic, I'm using garlic paste, 2 medium onions, 2 to 3 green chilies, 5 to 6 golden mirch, half cup of tomato puree, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame seed, 1 capsicum, 2 tablespoons of butter, and green onion for garnish. For this recipe, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start by adding our cornstarch. Oops, none there, in here. Our flour, 1 egg, salt, and black pepper. I'm just gonna mix this until it's well combined and it comes like a paste. This is mixed. I don't want the consistency to be like this, so I'm just gonna add in a little bit of water to give it the liquidy consistency. Went into my hands. Now that's all out. Just gonna give this a good mix until all the chicken is covered. Okay, now that all of it's covered, I'm going to cover this with cellophane wrap and put this in the refrigerator for around 15 minutes. The chicken is in the refrigerator. We're going to be making our sauce. Okay, I'm using salted butter, but if you're using oil, you have to add half teaspoon of salt separately, or else the sauce will be very bland. Our butter, while it's doing its thing and melting, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of garlic. I'm using a measuring spoon to be accurate. Now that the butter is starting to melt, I'm going to put this back and I'm adding our chili sauce. Our tomato puree. Green chili and gold mirch. And our paprika powder. Now that's inside, I'm gonna give it a good mix. Now this is well mixed. I'm going to add in our capsicum and onion so it gives it the sauce more taste. So capsicum is done, and the onion. And I'm just gonna mix the veggies in. A few minutes of cooking the curry, I'm gonna turn the stove off and we're going to fry the chicken. Okay, I have a pan here with oil that's already preheating, so I'm gonna start by putting the chicken in. I'm going to do this with the rest of my chicken until there's a golden brown color on the outside. Okay. The last batch of chicken, I'm just going to take it out. Now the chicken's done, I'm going to bring it here. And I will also turn the stove up for the chicken sauce and bring it here. Looks awesome right now. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix these now. There. Oh, and I'm also gonna add our green onions. And sesame seeds on top. And mix this. done, I'm gonna, well, that's it. It's our chicken chili, and it looks amazing. And when I was mixing it, I could feel the crunchiness of the chicken in there. And I have some rice boiling, and once it's boiled, I'm going to plate these. Now that the rice is boiled, what I did was I took a bowl and just stuffed it till there was no space left. And I flipped it onto this, and I got the shape. Okay, and I have the chicken here as well, and it looks amazing. And I'm just gonna take some out.
Yum, yum.
This
yum,
plate is for
yum,
my brother,
yum,
who has
yum,
been keeping all his fasts. So,
yum,
okay.
yum, yum, yum.
There. This looks great. There you have it, your chicken chili. Okay, now iftar is about to happen, and Bilal's just gonna have this. Okay, bye. Okay, so that's the chicken chili, and if you guys like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments down below if you would do this recipe at home. Please comment, subscribe, like, and share my videos. Bye!